Alright guys, so today I'm gonna do a quick one for you guys, especially those of you watching me from Ghana. I promised to do my very best to bring you companies, websites that allow Ghanaians to apply. So today we'll be looking at an online survey website that allows Ghanaians to work on. And this website allows you answer survey questions for cash reward. So if this is the content you're looking for, then please consider subscribing to this channel and also consider giving this video a thumbs up because it's free and it also gives me the motivation to keep bringing you these content. So the name of this website is called afrisite.com. And when you go to africasite.com, this is the interface that you will get. Okay, so the homepage has get started in just 3 steps. Join us, take surveys and rewards, and get paid. As simple as that. So the join us, you have to create an account, which I'm pretty much sure all of us know how to do that. You create an account, then you start taking surveys. Then you take your rewards in cash, vouchers. You can top your airtime up with the money you make from AfriSite. Okay, so let's look at the testimonial here for you guys to know that it's legit. I have personally been working on this site for over a year now, and it's a legit website. Okay, so as a student, AfriSite came as a blessing. Now I earn extra pocket money, which allows me to buy airtime, data, and take my girlfriend out. So the name of this person is Adeshina from Nigeria. Okay, that's Africa. So let's take a look at another testimonial. This is from someone from South Africa. So AfriSite let me voice my opinion, which is something I love to do. I made more friends, increased my knowledge on current affairs, and I have earned cash money for myself. So these are testimonials from people who have benefited from this website. Okay, so about us, read AfriSite is the premier Africa focused data collection company with communities all over Africa. So anyone from Africa can work on this site, can answer survey questions on this site, but I'm limiting myself to Ghanaians. So as part of our community, you're empowered to contribute to discussions that will help transform the products and services that matter to you. Share your opinion by answering our online surveys and inspire change in real time. Okay, so that's something little about AfriSite company. So on the nav bar here, there is about us, rewards, contact, and your profile. So this is the interface you get after you have created your profile. Okay, so on the profile has general information, which is your information, profiling still your information. It has our surveys. So this is where you click if you're looking to answer some survey questions. So it says no survey available at the moment. So you go to rewards to if you want to know the amount of money you have made, if you have something pending. So I answered this survey, which I earned $4.50 and it was pending. So when I clicked here, it reads approved now, which means it has been added to my balance here. So payout, this is where you go if you want to cash out this money. I've actually cashed out like 4 times since I joined AfriSite. Okay, so you can cash out this money into your bank account. You can do mobile top up and then pay out requests. So this is a legit site, guys. It's very legit. I am actually working on this site, right? So the security questions is not something I would want us to look at, and you log out when you want to. So what we have, the information we have on the nav bar is also here, the general information, profile and service, rewards, payout, security. So when you want to answer survey questions and you go here, there are times when there are surveys. When you click on surveys, you'll get the surveys available. Then you start answering them. Once you're done, boom, your balance increases. Okay, so the amount they promise you will be added, will be attached to the survey question they want you to answer. All right, so if you're interested and you have time on your hand and you want to make that extra dollar, you go for that survey questions. There are times there will be about 5 survey questions here. I'm sure today there are no surveys available, like it says at the moment, actually. But God willing, tomorrow, by the time I check, there'll be survey questions here. And sometimes they send you an email notification inviting you to answer those survey questions. So, guys, don't dull, do not dull, okay? Like I said, I'm personally working on this site and I have cashed out like 4 times since I joined over a year. And I wasn't cashing out 60, $25. No, I was cashing out like sometimes $90, sometimes $120. I've cashed out like 4 times. So that tells you it's legit. Even my balance here currently tells you it's legit. I cashed out somewhere last week, and since then I've answered 2 surveys. One paid me 4 point something, and the other one was um, $2 or so. I've forgotten. So this is my balance, which I can actually cash out. But no, I don't want to cash out now. I want to wait till I have like $100. Then I cash out. So that's it for today. Make sure you head over to africite.com and create an account, start answering survey questions, and cash out.